We are removing the radio on a 2012 Ford Focus. First thing we got to do is remove the negative battery cable from the battery. After we do that, we want to find this little panel right underneath the radio head right here and pull that out. Underneath there, you will see two T25 screws. So we need to remove those now. There it is. Now there's nothing holding the control head in. So we can pivot that up and slide that out partially. And we have to remove the electrical connector on the back. Here is the connector on the back of the control head we have to remove. Just remove it just like that. And then we can remove the control head out of the way. After we remove the control head, we can see the radio right here. There are two T25 screws on the top here. And we're going to remove those now. Okay, here's the last screw. Got it. Now we can pull our radio out, get it out this far, and now we can remove the connections on the back. Here are the connections on the back of the radio we have to remove. There's 3 of them. We'll start with this one on the left here. There's a little button right there in the middle. We'll push down on that, and then we'll pull back and release that connector. This one right here has a little lock right there that we'll push down, pull that back. This one is the same thing right there. Push down on that and pull back. And then all the connections are off. That's all there is to removing a radio on your Ford Focus.